Black. What's up, folks? What's up, folks? This is the top 3 growth stocks to check out this week. Now, this video is not going to be as long as the other videos. This video is going to be informative and it's going to be to the point. I need to tell y'all about some stocks that I wanted to make this video yesterday. Obviously, the market's closed today, so I got some shit coming for y'all. I got a bunch of content coming for y'all. Let's see here. I'm gonna pull it up here on my screen. How the hell do we already get a thumbs down? I'm gonna pull it up here on my. Oh shit! All right. How's everybody doing? I pray you're having a blessed day. Many blessings to you. Happy as hell for you to be here. If you're ready to pull up and make some money in the stock market, please drop an emoji on the video. Please drop a like on the video. Y'all let me know. And I appreciate every single person that comes here. All the comments and everything has just been positive. Everything y'all say has been positive. So really appreciating it. And I want to take the time today to introduce you to 3. Well, some of these are already familiar, but some of these are brand new. And I want to tell y'all why you should check them out, especially for those of you who are on the playback. Everybody can't be here right now, so I want y'all to see what's going on. Let me see. Let me see the emojis. If y'all ready to undergo, get to these plays. Let's see the emojis. Let's get some energy. Let's get some good vibes in here. This video is going to be under 20 minutes. So let me pull up the first one. Where's the first one? I got all my notes typed down. I wanted to record this yesterday. Y'all ready for a big week? This is going to be a good week, a great week. Let's say some affirmations. This is going to be a fire-ass week. We are getting paid. I'm grateful to be rich. I'm grateful that we're making hundreds and thousands of dollars. Okay, so the first play, I'm gonna pull it up here on my phone. And again, oh shit, if y'all need wallpapers, anything like that, they'll be in the description below. Okay, so I want to show y'all the first play of the day, and that is going to be Cardano, which is ADA. Okay, ticker symbol ADA. Let me make sure I can see y'all here on this screen as well. See all my comments. Okay, everybody cool? Everybody good? Go check out Profile It Queen. Okay. Yeah, so ADA, Cardano is going to be the first play. Now, Cardano, is anyone here familiar with it? I know a lot of y'all. If you've been a day one with me, you could drop the 1 for me, drop the 1. But we talked about Cardano. We talked about it for months and months. You can go back to my crypto videos when we first started getting position, and you can see where we were at there. Now, I have lost money on Cardano. I don't want to say lost. The stock went down briefly, right? The coin went down. And with that being said, that means that there's room for growth. We've read the news on it. We've talked about it time in, time out. But I was able to find some new news. I've been watching a bunch of content, the news, the financial news segments, and other analysts and things of this nature. And just after reading, we see here that it's predicted, Cardano is predicted to go to $5.17 by the end of 2025. It's 2021. So we have damn near 3.5, 4 years for it to get to $5, right? But we actually believe it's going to go to $5 this year. It's on a chart right here. It says it's going to get to $3.29 by the end of 2021. And I want to shout out to Uncle Larry Stocks. Shout out to the OG. He put me on this chart where he showed, and it shows you the breakdowns. $3.29 is what it's projected to get to by 2021. Okay? So again, with this video, I'm giving y'all 3 plays, and then we can begin to talk about different things, and I'll take some of your suggestions and stuff. But right now, I really want to get this information out to show you ADA. And here you can see my position in it. Can y'all see that? And so what we're going to do is, as Cardano itself, we'll pull it up. Right now, Cardano is $1.42. You can see it on your screen. I use Uphold. I use Uphold and Coinbase. If you need Uphold, I will put it in the description below. I will put it in the description below. And what I want you to check out is the fact that it's projected to go to that 329. But imagine if we can get it entry around $1.20, around $1.15. And the chart that I just showed you of it reaching $3.30, that's a bearish chart. That is not the bullish chart. We've read news on that, and we see that Grayscale added Cardano to its digital large cap fund. So they purchased a great deal of this. Grayscale, I'm gonna tell you exactly what they are. I had to find out who they were myself. So I'm gonna show you this. ADA, it said it had a 7% jump. Okay, 7% jump. Bitcoin, Binance, Dogecoin, Ripple, Polkadot, Uniswap, etc. Right? But Cardano is the best among these performers. Okay, and it went up out of the top 10 coins, 7% increase, and this comes after the world's largest cryptocurrency asset manager, Grayscale, said it purchased ADA tokens. Again, ADA has been purchased by Grayscale, and the CEO of Grayscale is a man named, well, where did we go? Robert Duncan. Where did my article just go? Whoa. Okay, the investment, blah, blah, blah. Where did my dude just go? I had a whole article on my dog. Oh, here he is. Okay, so Robert Duncan is an American billionaire, entrepreneur, philanthropist. He's a capital venturist. Okay, so he has money. He's also been the CEO of other companies. Computer Motion, he has here Sunset Designs, Paradise Bakery, Government Technology Services, Communication Machinery Corp, Metropolis Media. He makes money. He's made money for other companies he owns, and this is huge. When people heard about this, they immediately surged Cardano. So I'm going to be looking to enter Cardano, which is ticker symbol ADA, and the cryptocurrencies. I'm going to be looking to enter once it gets into $1.20. Oh shit. Once it gets into about $1.20, let me know. Is anyone what's up this session? Yeah. So if anybody is in ADA with me, let me know. Drop an emoji below with me. Let me know if you in it. Let me know if y'all fucking with it. Cardano, I'm telling you, I'm not telling you what to do because I'm not your financial advisor. I'm simply saying you may want to take a look at it. I'm gonna move on to the next play. I got my article here, and I got my article here. Okay. Now, who's rocking out with me? Who's getting that Cardano? Who else has it? Y'all gotta forgive me. The comments and everything are a bit delayed. Y'all do me a favor. Just keep commenting the same thing. I don't want to block you off the page. All black. You've commented the same thing 42 times. Again, I'm going to be giving y'all plays right now. The video is called Top 3 Growth Stocks. So I'm going to tell you the growth stocks I have, and then at the end, after that, after I deliver information, I'll be able to give y'all, the floor. Okay. Yep, got XRP as well. I got XRP as well. But right now, I'm focusing on Cardano. I want to build position in ones that are going to make us more money. So Ethereum, my goal, I want 5 coins of that. When we have 5 whole coins of that, as well as at least 3,000 to 5,000 in Cardano, then we can go fill up XRP even more. I'm going to keep, every time one of them dips below a price that I think is entering, I'm going to enter. Okay? I got 3 ADA. Okay, so y'all fucking with ADA. Cardano, I'm telling you, check it out, look it up. All right, ready for the next play? I got the next play ready for y'all. I'm gonna pull it up here on Robinhood so we can look at it together. And I've never heard of this company. This is new to me, so I felt another winner like VTNR. We found Galt, Arrowhead, and we're going to discuss Arrowhead more in a second. I think there's going to be some potential here. Someone in the comments asked a great question about it. Okay, so the next growth stock is ticker symbol PLSE. Okay, this is Pulse Biosciences. This is ticker symbol PLSE. And again, these are stocks that I believe within the next, over the next year are going to surge. I'm talking about have big surges. These are holds for me. These stocks that I'm talking about, these are going to be long hold stocks for me. ADA is a long hold stock. That is a coin I plan on holding. Okay, PLSE, if I get position in this, I plan on being in here. I plan on holding it. Every video is not just going to be stocks that you can just super quickly option call and flip it. Okay, so if you want the option plays, I had that last video. Today's video is simply going to be on stocks that I'm planning on holding. So I just want to give you some direction on how I'm thinking with these. You dig what I'm talking about? Okay, so the first stock was Cardano, which is a cryptocurrency, ticker symbol ADA. Second, we are on PLSE. Now, I want to show y'all this. If y'all have tip ranks, you'll see we pulled it up here on Robinhood. It's $17.50. Okay, so you see on the day it was down. We had rough times last week. It was interesting. Okay, on the year it's up a bit, but it had a rough last few months. Okay, so what I seen was that when you look at tip ranks and you go to the news sentiment, when you go to news, you'll see that very bullish on the week. You'll see that people were talking about it, 100% bullish, right? So when we read the article, we see Pulse Biosciences jumped 20.6% on Thursday when the company entered into an agreement to sell more than 3 million shares to billionaire Robert Duggan, who is Pulse's a board chairman, at $16.40 per share. This cancels $41 million of debt Pulse owed Duggan, and he goes from 46% ownership to 51% ownership. Now, that's big because I just read y'all the whole spiel about Rob Duggan and all the shit he owns, everything he owns, everything he's doing, the Pulse Biosciences, Summit Therapeutics. He has an investment company. I said the BAYRY. He's a capital venturist or a capital venturist, and so he has money. He makes money out here in Oakland, California as well. Okay, so we go back here to tip ranks. Now, when we go ahead to the analysts, you'll see that this stock is projected to go from $17.20 to $43. So this is projected. I'm gonna show you here live on the screen too. I'm gonna show you live so we can all see the same thing. PLSE. So tell me what you see right here. You see that the stock right here, $17.25. They have it projected going to $43 over the course of the year. This is amazing news. This is the type of stuff we like to hear. And so we can get in at a super cheap price point. If we can get in at this $17 mark or even lower, this is very promising to me. Now, what is even more promising is that when we look at the analysts themselves, you can see exactly how much they bought. I see right here, they have a $40 price target. The other guy has a $46 price target. When we look at the insiders, the people who own the company, who work at the company, yo, Jay Garcia, relax, bro. They have the people that work there, the director, 1 director, 2 director, 3 director, 4. They bought over $3 million of this. Robert Duggan bought 2.7 million. Ebers Ed, there's a lot of the insiders that bought. So this is great news when it comes to me. I see that within the last 7 days, people like us have increased our share percent by 0.7%. So PLSE is going to be one you want to look at. If you decide to get into it, that's on you. I think that this has tremendous upside. Tremendous upside. And I will be curious. I'll be curious. These are also ones we're going to check out tomorrow morning when I go live. Y'all know we check out it's usually Monday morning we go live, but now it's going to be Tuesday morning. So when we go live Tuesday morning, this is going to be one we check out. How is PLSE doing? Y'all remember, hold me accountable to see how is it doing. How's it performing as the week goes with this new news. So one last play. And then I'm going to open the floor up to y'all. If y'all have any place that you want me to take a look at, then Jay Garcia, you can spam your shit out, okay? You can, but for right now, you just stay relaxed. This is called being an adult and having composure. I love you, okay? So let me know what y'all think about PLSE. Drop a fire if you thought it was good. If you think it's gonna be poop, drop the poop. Let me know what y'all think. Tip ranks has it going to almost $45. That's beautiful to me. And the analysts rank it as a buy. Okay. I got one last play. What y'all think? What y'all thinking? Okay. What y'all thinking? I got one more play left. Larksley. Okay. PLSE has only been analyzed. It's been by 2 people. I have the paid version, so I'm able to see the top ranked analysts, and 2 of them are in the top 25, and they say it has almost a 200% upside. Okay. Now, I also saw this on Tiblio. For the last play that I'm going to be looking at that has really caught my eye is Mara. That's ticker symbol MARA. This was brought to me by Sadia from the Discord. I definitely got to shout you out. This play is fire. It made us a bunch of money. It made us, see, this is the thing about it. It made us, as soon as I got it, I was up $60. With what happened in the market last week, it dropped the option down. Me, I want to put my money where my mouth is, so that way I'm not just telling you all to check things out. You can see exactly what plays I'm getting in. Mara, I have. You'll see I have an option play. It went from being up, but we're down, right? I want everyone to oh, pardon me if my hand's in the way. I want everyone to see that. This swings drastically. Now, I am willing to bet this already went up plus 60 when it went to $31. So tomorrow we wake up, this gets in the 31, 32 range. We will be back up plus $100. So that's great news for this. When you look over here on tip ranks, and whoever said I forgot who asked that question about PLSE, but when you come to tip ranks, you're able to see that there's multiple analysts that have ranked this stock. This is MARA, Marathon Digital Holdings. They have it going to a projected $48. So does anyone else have tip ranks open? Let me know if y'all got that. We can open it together. Again, this is ticker symbol MARA, Mara. Mara's a good one. Let me know if anybody has Mara. If you have Mara, drop the fire emoji or the butterfly emoji. You see right here, Mara, clear as day. It's projected to head to $48. So this is a good sign. Very good sign. Up from $30 to 48. And that's just the average. The high for it is actually $54. So what I'm doing right now is saying that, okay, we believe it to have a high run up. You'll see that the smart score for it is a 10. Okay? So it's a 10. And when I look at the people who have position in this, I see the people in discords in which I'm even a part of, or I see people who have made money. I see people who are other analysts recommending this stock and they've made money on it, and they say it's a 10 out of 10. That's telling me that I want to get position as well as keep my option. My option has some time on it for the expiration, so I'm grateful of that. We don't expire until I think the end of July or August. I want to get position in this stock. I'm going to move this to my public portfolio where I have all my like recession-proofish Costco, Disney, Tesla, Apple, more standard blue collar stocks. Shout out to Ground T. Thank you, Ground T. Thank you, Ground T. I appreciate it. And so again, if we know that the news of Mara is planning to go up to this number, to 50, one thing I've started doing is instead of buying these small little options, unless I know that there's some good news behind it, Wish, things like that, I save the money and put it on a longer call with a better expiration date. Okay, so if you have a further out expiration date, just like I showed y'all that Neo call, that call looks so beautiful. It's out there in August the 6th or something like that. So we give ourselves more time. Even if we take it out to October, the more capital you have, if you can take the call out longer for the option, I find that you'll make more money, especially if it begins to go up or come closer to that break-even price sooner. So that's just what I learned off of my own banking. You see 10 out of 10. You see right here when we go to the investors themselves, investors such as us, over the last 30 days, shares in this have increased by 6.1%. Over the last 7 days, it went down 2% because we have to remember the week was performing poorly for everyone, for majority of the stocks. So it went down 2%. Those are the people who got worried and just sold. But when we come here to the insiders, you'll see that the CEO bought more. He bought $16 million worth. The director bought another 1.2 million, and so on and so forth. So this may be one y'all want to check out. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think. Who was riding with Mara? You can type an M in the comments. You can type an emoji, whatever you want. I showed y'all my three. I wanted to show you. I just want to touch on, you feel me? I just want to touch on Arrowhead. I want to touch on Arrowhead too, because I really see some potential there. I'm just wanting to figure out, is it going to be, I believe it's going to be in the direction of a call, an option call. But let me know what y'all think. MARA. Let me see in the comments anything. Okay. So now I have some news about to blow your mind. This blew my mind when I seen this. I need y'all to do me a favor. And then I'm going to turn the floor over to you. You can give me any stocks you want me to look up and I will check them out. Just do me this favor. Let's all go to whatever you have. If you have Tip Ranks, please open it. And if you have Robinhood, please open it. We'll go to Arrowhead. This is ticker symbol ARWR. I can't make this up. We've been in this since 2020. I haven't increased my position much, which I should have, but we're doing well in it, and we're going to continue to buy. Tomorrow, I'm going to purchase more just so I have even more stake in this. I want at least 20 shares. I'm at about 15 now. So Arrowhead, for those of y'all who read about it or who know about it, man, we went down on it. We went down on it because they had to pause one of their research trials. I think it fucked up one of the rats or something. The mice that they were, using to trial and test the thing. But where's my article? We did find that people said, despite the trial, H.C. Hartright favored Arrowhead. Said that it's still going to go up despite the trial being paused. It's only paused. These things happen when it comes to medication. They got to test on some people, and I don't know, man. It sucks, but they test on people and shit. So, it won't let me open the article. Okay, is it let me open it? Oh, they let me open the article. But Arrowhead, with that being said, it went down. It went down a lot. But look at the price prediction. They have it going from the $60 it was to 93. For those of y'all who are new to Arrowhead, Arrowhead ARWR was at almost $90 a week ago. Bobby Schmurder voice. About a week ago. I'm telling you, it was there. So just that one thing. Hey, oh my goodness, it's paused. Imagine if we get an option call on this as it goes back to its normal suggested and predicted price. It's not a stock that's supposed to be at 60. It is a $90 stock on its way to $100. So if we can ride it from the 60 all the way up to the 90, that's what I believe will make us money. We've made money with this stock. Let me pull it open here on Robinhood. Arrowhead, let me see. Let's see how much an option play would be, right? So if we took this out to August the 20th, if you took this to August the 20th, oh, that's a put. If we took this to August the 20th, and there's a reason why these calls are expensive. I'm going to go the share route. I'm going to get shares, but if you have the extra capital, you can be safe. I mean, there's calls you could look at. Remember, this went from, what was it, 90, it was damn near $90. It was $89 now to 65. They have $65 call you could get. But if you want to be in the money, you would do a $60 call, and that's going to cost you almost $800. So I think that as Arrowhead goes up, you have to take out your expiration date. Take out your expiration date and give them time to correct the trial they just had with the mice and with the medicine, the medication, and the dosage. Once they correct that, or once people even just feel, the news feels like, okay, they're on the right way. Just like he said, Arrowhead's on sale. If it goes any cheaper, from this price to any cheaper, I'm buying. That's just what I'm doing. I'm buying shares of Arrowhead. I've said it in plain English. I'm buying more shares of Arrowhead. Okay, so I'll open the floor to y'all. Y'all can tell me any stocks you want me to look up. I'll check them out. I'll check out a couple of them. My plays for the day, stocks that I'm behold. Cardano, which is ADA. I have shares in it, so I'm telling you from the experience in which I had and the research we just found. PLSE, that's potential. I'm really interested in that one. Tomorrow I'm going to look at the numbers on it. It has potential to go up almost $30. Arrowhead, another one jumping almost $30. So I'm giving y'all game. Arrowhead, I've made hundreds of dollars with. The 52-week low for the stock is 32. Okay. All right. So where are y'all stocks at? I knew Buddy was gonna come with it. What's the name? All right. Let me see. Where are y'all stocks? Y'all want me to look up? You check for open interest volume and spread between the big. Bayer. Okay, let's check out this Bayer. We've been saying this for a while. Let's check it out. Maybe there's a reason for this. Bayer. They made the ticker symbol interesting. Okay, so Bayer. Okay. Okay, so good numbers. Okay, so let's all pull up Bayer. This is ticker symbol BAYRY. This is brought to us by All Black in the comments. So if anything's good or bad, we'll give the congratulations to All Black. So this I'm gonna pull the comments down so I can see. Okay, what's up, Lachey? So right here, this stock actually looks beautiful. So I see why I probably wouldn't have typed it 400 times, but I see why you went for it. This has right here, Bear is $15.38. They have this going to a projected $71.15. $71.15. That's 362% upside. So let's pull this up here on Robinhood. BAYRY. This is what we're looking up right now. So if you're watching this on a playback, you're getting even more growth stocks to look at. Potential option plays, growth stocks, you're getting even more stocks to check out. So that's one of the benefits of following the channel. This is lit. Make sure you hit that like button for me and drop a comment, okay? So let's pull it up here on Robinhood. Let's see, on the week it was down 0.6%, on the month down 4%. Now, it's going to be hard for us to judge a stock based on last month and last week. We remember what just happened last month. Y'all know what we just came out of. We had a whole EV correction. We had some corrections in the lumber. We had all sorts of weird shit going on, okay? So it's hard to judge stocks based on what they did last month and the week out. So let's go ahead and check out. Okay, so Bear's been down for the whole time since inception. So what we want to do is check out, why is it like this? Why is it going up so crazy? I'll rank mine through the top analysts. Two say it's a hold, one say it's a buy. So when I go to the smart score is a 6. Some say it's a moderate buy, to remain bullish, positive, bullish. Okay. Okay, so let me see what the insiders are doing. No information there. But are any articles on this? Okay, so new sentiment in the last 7 days, 100% bullish. What articles we got? Let's see. Uh-oh, we might have some news here. Pharmaceuticals, let's see. And again, we are checking out right now. This is BAYRY. Bayer. I think it's Bayer medication, like people make it for aches and pains and shit. Is in licensing development for rights to ALEC2 clinical stage monoclonal antibodies for range of neurodegenerative diseases. Okay, so they just released this. They were actually just given approval to do some research on some shit. Where's Bayer? It says here, Galactic will make an upfront payment of $700 million to Elector, while the later will be entitled to $1.5 billion in potential milestone payments. Damn. So that's why Bayer's going. They have potential to make $1.5 billion. Let me open up another article. What do y'all think about Bayer? This is looking This is looking promising, and there's no option on it, so you have to get shares. What are y'all thinking? What should we entertain this thought? Should we entertain this thought? So the company which is bear is Galacto. That is the same company, which is Glaxo, rather. Everybody's talking about this deal, licensing co-development rights to Elector's ALEC-2 clinical stage. This is interesting. Hey, Sadia's here. Thank you. I feel like the Discord. I feel like it gets more lit when Sadia comes around. So let's rate the first one. Let's rate Bear, BAYRY, based on what we see and based on the fact that Tip Ranks has this going to what? Tip Ranks has this going to $71. What are we saying? Is it a fire or is it poop? What are we doing? What do y'all think about this stock? And then we'll move on to pick some different ones. I think this is. I would say this is fire. I would say I'm very curious in this. I'm going to read more articles on it. But that seems promising because that just it sounds like even if it's just hype, we could catch a run if you put a substantial amount in there. Even if it's just hype for 2-3 weeks, the amount that they have projected to go to. Bear fire, they're not going nowhere. Yeah, Bear's been around for whatever. They make not a leaf, they make a Bear, the medication. So I like it. Great job, All Black. So what are some other stocks y'all want me to look up? Thank you, Sadia, for being around. Welcome, Sadia, to the chat. I'll pick another one. Y'all keep letting them fly. Which ones would y'all like me to check out? Which one should we pull up as a team? We'll do 3 total as a team. We did 1 already, and we'll do 2 more. And we go over so many stocks. Y'all got to remember, I got a whole other public portfolio where I have SPCE, Vail, Tesla, Apple, my whole safe. So I'm going to start showcasing that more as well to really make y'all understand it's about shares. Everything ain't about options. Oh, we getting some play OKSC. So we'll pick one. Let's do Virgin Galactic. I've seen a couple people type about SPCE, Virgin Galactic. Wait, what? Yeah, so we're going to look up SPCE. Yeah, okay, so we're going to look up Virgin Galactic, which is SPCE. I'm going to pull this up on my public just to show you. We've had position in there. Let's see what it looks like. This is ticker symbol SPCE. Let's type it here. Elon taking motherfuckers up there to space, doing God knows what. Ooh, why does it have the downside? Let's see what happened. They say it has some downside. I wonder why the downside's occurring for SPCE. So for SPCE, we see here, I'm making good money on it, you see. We're doing well on it. They say here that has a price prediction of $29.71. That's weird. I don't know why they're saying that. There must have been something that happened. The smart score of it is a 7. Let's see. They said they sold the shares. I'm in the green as well. Not sure what's going on with the downside. This is going to require research now. It was bullish in the articles, bullish in the news. Why Virgin Galactic rocketed 50% in June. Class action update. It says Virgin Galactic soars 4%. All the articles are good. Why Virgin Galactic stock rocketed almost 50% in June. Space tourism industry soared in June. Investors took notice in early month when Jeff Bezos, founder of the privately held Blue Origin space company, announced he would join his company's first passenger mission into space in late July. That helped boost shares of fellow space tourism company Virgin Galactic Holdings. There was additional news directly from Virgin Galactic that helped drive more significant gains later that month. Shares ended up 47.3%. Virgin Galactic is operating its test flights under license, yada yada yada. License did not include passenger flights until now. On June 25th, they gave approval. Yeah, they sending people to space. I don't know what the fuck. Isn't that what you niggas want? The 30-day average trading volume jumped by 50%. I believe in SPCE. I'm keeping SPCE. Yeah, I don't know what they're talking about. I'm holding what I got, and if it dips at all, I'm going to get some more. People keep doing stuff they're not supposed to do, and I can speak from the experience I've seen with this. I've seen the price point go from projected 40 something to projected now 29. So I'm holding it. I'm going to check out Ramp now because that's what. Who is this? Mark Hale. So Ramp. Let's check out Ramp. Everybody, we can pull it up on Tip Ranks and we can pull it up on Robinhood. This is Ramp. SPCE has great numbers. So I don't know, I'm rocking. Woo, Ramp is beautiful potential, Jesus. Okay. And they have low risk. Wow, they have low risk. The S&P 500. Wow. Okay, so who selected this one? You got 500 shares at $12. Well done, Lauren. Mark Hale. Let's all, we gotta give a round of applause for Mark for finding this play. This is RAMP. This is Ramp. So when we see this, I've been telling you all about the feature on Tip Ranks where you can see the risk, how much risk is involved in this. And this one actually has a lower risk than the S&P 500. This is, it only has 18 risks. The S&P 500 has 31 risks. So you're able to see that by going to risk factors. Bro, this is a good sign. So now when I go to the price prediction for this stock is $85. So there's gonna be a couple I'm interested to check out. I'm gonna type this one down. Just interested to see what's going on with this. This is $85 they projected to go to, and it has a high of $95 possible. So I'll show you here on the, just in case y'all can't see, if you don't have Tip Ranks, let me, I got you. That's Ramp. So look at this here. Studio tomorrow. Okay, so look at this here. So that way everybody can see. We all on the same accord, you dig? I wanted to go live and show you all this information so we could be ready for tomorrow. I want to hit the stock market ready. I want to make some money, and if anything's on sale tomorrow, we'll grab it. So this right now is $45.15. It's projected to go to 85. You'll see. Just scroll down. Just scroll down to analyst consensus. 6 buy. Good job, Ramp. Okay. So you did this is a great pick, Mark. They're all recommending buys. Over 105, 110 potential upside. You'll see the smart score is a 9. You'll see that investors just like you and I, if you look at look at this, the portfolios that are holding Ramp, look at this. They've increased 34.3% over the last 30 days and another 0.7% in the last 7 days. So in the last week, something surfaced or some news has happened and 0.7% shares have increased, 35 almost on the month. This is a great sign. This is a great sign. I like this. And then when I look at the insiders, what are the insiders doing? I see some sells. I see the CEO bought. The CEO, head of products bought. A couple other people sold last month. But when I see the less risk, this is nice. This is nice. There's not much of a risk with this. 3 reasons why analysts view Google's delayed cookies changes as good to new tech stocks. Google pushes back deadlines, kill third party. So what is Ramp? They must deal with. Let me see. Does anybody have Ramp or know anything about Ramp? Must be a web-based application that deals with cookies. That's what it says here. It would end support for these cookies in Chrome by year 2022. Da, 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 da. Where is Ramp? Okay, here we go. Several ad tech players saw stocks shoot up Thursday following the announcement. The Trade Desk shares closed up 16%. Pubmatic shares closed 13%, Criteo shares closed 12%, and LiveRamp shares closed up 6%. Okay. Okay. Google said it was pushing back its timeline to kill third-party tracking cookies from 2022 to 2023, giving digital advertising industry more time to plan for more privacy-conscious targeted ads. They're giving these people more time to send ads and shit to us. Thank you, real one. Hell yeah. Google decided not to shut down third party. Yeah, so this is good. Um, if I had to choose a growth stock that of the ones that I didn't mention, the ADA, the even over PLSE, I would choose Ramp right now based on what I'm reading, based on the fact that they're given a whole nother year to figure out and how to redirect marketing, and it says to make them more privacy conscious. So what that means is how to still take our data, take our information, market and target us, but not let us find out. This is amazing. They're projected to go to almost $90. The risk is lower than the S&P. Remember, Warren Buffett underperformed the S&P for 2 years. So all y'all out there, if you ever had some red, remember what I just said. Did you hear what I just said? Warren Buffett himself underperformed the S&P 2 years. So never fret where you at. Always stay down, stay the course. And remember, you don't lose in the stock market until you sell. Yeah, until you sell. When you come to this channel, it's not about money. When you come to this channel, it's about mindset. I'm putting you in the boss mindset. I'm a master with the mind. That's what I help with. So when you come to this channel, you will succeed if you have an open mind. I showed you how I made $1,000 with the cards. I'm teaching you what I'm doing with the stocks. I'm not a financial expert. I'm not a motherfucking analyst. I'm not none of that shit. I'm just putting you on game of how I see it. I pray that you appreciate it. We found some amazing plays today. Bear's a good one, but I think the star of what I found is going to be Ramp. I love the way it looks. But we will type down Ramp. I'm gonna put must get, but I'm gonna put out a bear. I will say bears have potential. BAYR. So we found two dope plays just by chopping it up and being here. There's a huge upside on bear, but remember, there's not just one stock to go with. So if you like whatever one over the other, everybody also all these plays. The reason I give you an option for plays is because not that you have to go spread and put money in all of these. You pick the ones you like the best, and then you put position in the one you believe in, so you can actually have good position. So if you like bear, go with bear. If you like ramp, go with ramp. We're gonna check them out tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna rediscuss and see which one we like better. But if you have the capital, you can get deeper position in both. I I suggest you already have a portfolio. I would just pick one and get a significant position. Get a good position, and then every time it goes down below your average cost, I would average cost with it. I would purchase more. That's what I would do. But you do what the fuck you like. I'm not your financial advisor, all right? Let's make some money. Let's get the portfolios back. I'm still at the 17,000 mark between both portfolios. Let's get them back to 18, 19,000. I love you. You got a chance to win $1,000. I'm giving away $1,000 this Friday. Remember, $1,000 cash. Four of you are getting $250. I'm going to have some more surprises, gifts. You know, I appreciate y'all. Again, this month, I'm doing free features. I have a bunch of you sending me stuff, so that's a blessing. Y'all music is dope. Keep sending the shit over. If you want a free feature, email it to me. thesessiongrowth@gmail.com. Simple. Go ahead and email it to me. I'm doing free features. Um, what else we got? Man, got some exclusive shit coming for y'all. I can't speak on just yet, but remember, go check out Tip Ranks if you want $40 off. I got you with the link in the description. I'm going to update it in the next few seconds. Again, check out the Discord. There are only $5 spots left. After that, you're gonna have to pay 10 or 20, and then as we grow, we're gonna make it more and more. But this is beautiful. I feel so good to have sold out. Let's manifest it. I feel so good to have sold out of the $5 offerings of the Discord. It feels so good to become a millionaire. You know what I'm saying? Turn y'all notifications on. when you see this channel, when you see me pop up, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I love you. Hope you have a great day, man. Make sure you share this content with somebody. You dig me? I love y'all. You dig.